Nobody talks about how to get engagement. YouTube coaches always say this is how you engage with your audience. Go through your comments and answer questions, pin comments to the top of your videos. But what about when there are no comments? Let's talk about that because a lot of you are dealing with the reality that nobody is commenting on your videos. Nobody's commenting on your videos. So you feel that you can't promote engagement because nobody's commenting. You see that people are looking, but no comments, a couple of likes. What do? How do you get engagement? You produce this video, you write the script, you edit the video, you upload it. You believe that this is really good content that people could use. You post it and crickets, nothing. A couple views, no engagement, no comments. What do? What are you supposed to do? How do you grow here on YouTube? Is it just me? Because I wonder sometimes when I post a video, hey, this is good information. I put research into this. I thought this out. I know this can help some people. Why are there no comments? How can one person not want to comment on this information? So I'm going to give you some tips today on how I generate comments in the comment section, how I generate engagement. Number one, don't be a bot. Don't reply with emojis. Starting the conversation on your video has to be a part of your YouTube strategy. Starting a conversation throughout the video when you're writing your script. Put parts in there where you're starting a conversation. Post right now down in the comments if you have trouble getting engagement and starting the conversation in your video. That's what you want to do. Another way to start the conversation in your video is to use some of those visual hooks that we talked about. Have people talking about something that's going on in your video. That works depending on the type of content that you make. Another one is pin a comment, a question, even more of a little elaboration. Here, you guys like 3-minute videos. You guys just like me to talk for 3 or 4 minutes. So a lot of the things that I have to say, I can't really squeeze them in that couple of minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and pin in the comments just a little bit more information or even a synopsis. If your video is very, very long, you might want to go ahead and pin a synopsis of the main points in that video to the comments. That'll get people starting, even if it's a simple thank you. Now, when somebody leaves a thank you, don't just say, oh, you're welcome. Go ahead and say, okay, what helped you most in that video? Because I like to make more videos to help you out with what you're looking for, the information that you're looking for. I'm always researching this. I want to help you. So continue the conversation and don't be a bot. And the second one is ask for engagement. Ask your viewers to comment in your comment section. Ask them what they need to know. Ask questions. This is your content. This is your channel. People are happening upon it, or maybe they follow you. But you are the person that is presenting the information. So don't depend on your audience to give you the engagement. You have to be engagement first. And that's actually the third one. Be the engagement. You have to be engaging. You have to be engaging in your video. You have to be engaging in the comments. You have to post on your community tab. You have to build the community. You have to do it. And some people might happen upon engagement. It happens a lot in shorts. I like shorts. Shorts drive engagement. Shorts drive subscribers. And they can redirect your audience over to your long form content. Those are my 3 tips on how to drive engagement to your YouTube content. If you made it to the end of this video, I crown you an official homepreneur. Head over to my Instagram and pick up a cap, or you can pick one up at juteandolive.com. And if you like this video, like this video. If you like me, subscribe, and don't forget to tell me all about it in the comments. Bye.